In a rapidly evolving automotive landscape, merger talks between Honda Motor Co. and Nissan Motor Corp. have taken center stage, with Mitsubishi Motors Corp. now weighing whether to join the potential alliance. Analysts suggest that while a merger could offer significant benefits, it may also face substantial hurdles, including short-term financial challenges. Recent reports indicate that Mitsubishi is considering withdrawing from the discussions. However, the company has officially stated that no final decision has been made. In a recent press release, Mitsubishi clarified, "We are studying various options, and no conclusion has been reached." This leaves the door open for Mitsubishi to potentially join forces with Honda and Nissan in what could be a transformative partnership for the automotive industry. Why a merger makes sense. The global auto market is undergoing seismic shifts, with China emerging as a dominant force. Both Honda and Nissan are investing heavily in electrification and vehicle intelligence technologies while continuing to produce traditional vehicles. Honda CEO Toshihiro Mibe emphasized the need for a new business model to ensure long-term success, stating, "By 2030, we need to have the right artillery to remain competitive in the battlefield." Experts argue that a merger could allow the automakers to share resources, reduce costs, and strengthen their positions in an increasingly competitive market. Stephanie Brinley, Associate Director at S&P Global Mobility, noted, "Joining forces would create a better cost structure for both sides, enabling them to sell cars more profitably." Challenges ahead. Despite the potential benefits, the path to a merger is fraught with challenges. Nissan's recent financial struggles, including a 90% drop in operating profits and 9,000 global job cuts, highlight the urgency for the company to restore profitability. Additionally, Renault Group's ownership stake in Nissan could complicate the deal, as Nissan's European commercial vehicle business is closely tied to Renault. Mark Barrett, partner at Plant Moran, expressed skepticism about the merger's feasibility, citing cultural and operational differences between the companies. "There are pros and cons on both sides," Barrett said. "You're really in the depths of a very difficult financial situation. What's next?" While the outcome of the talks remains uncertain, industry experts believe that even if a full merger does not materialize, collaboration between Honda and Nissan on software and electrified propulsion technologies is likely to continue. As the automotive industry faces unprecedented changes, the decisions made by these automakers in the coming months could reshape the competitive landscape for years to come. Stay tuned to Auto News Network for the latest updates on this developing story. Reporting live, I'm Monica Jarrett.